Okay, we are starting a new chapter, that is trigonometric equations. Before going to the chapter, we have some notes. If k belongs to -1 to 1, then the principal solution of theta sin x is equal to k lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and the general solution is given by n pi plus of -1 whole power n theta, where n belongs to z. If k belongs to -1 to 1, then the principal solution of theta is cos theta is equal to k lies in 0 to pi, and general solution is given by 2n pi plus or minus theta, where n belongs to z. If k belongs to r, then the principal solution of theta of tan x is equal to k lies in minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and general solution is given by n pi plus or minus theta, where n belongs to z. These 3 points are very important. Throughout the chapter, we will discuss about these formulas, these notes. Okay, I want you to note down these notes. Then we shall start with the exercise. Let us observe these problems. 2 cos square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta will be equal to 1 by 2. Theta will be equal to 45 degrees or 135 degrees. You get 1 by root 2. Root 3 secant theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Secant theta is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Secant theta is minus 2 by root 3. Cos theta will be equal to minus root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to 150 degrees. For 150 degrees, you get cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. 3 tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan square theta is 1 by 3. So, tan theta will be plus or minus root of 1 by root 3. So, theta value is equal to plus or minus pi by 6. That is what is theta value. Our next problem for today, 2 sin square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, that is equal to 3 cos theta. Multiply, you get 2 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 3 cos theta. Now, take these two terms this side. So, you get 2 cos square theta plus 3 cos theta minus 2 is equal to 0. 2 cos square theta, 3 cos theta can be written as 4 cos theta minus 2 is equal to 0. So, take 2 cos theta out. If you take 2 cos theta out, you have cos theta plus 2. Here you take minus 1 out, you have cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Here it is 2 cos theta minus 1 into cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to minus 2. So, range of cos theta is minus 1 comma 1. Cos theta is equal to minus 2 is not admissible, because the values of maximum and minimum values of cos theta are minimum value is minus 1, maximum value is 1. So, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Theta will be equal to pi by 3. So, theta is equal to pi by 3 is the principal solution. Theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z is general solution. So, this is principal solution and this is general solution. That is about this problem. Our next problem for today, sin square theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 by 4. 4 will go up, 4 sin square theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to 1. 4 into sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to 1. Multiply this with 4. 4 into minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta is equal to 0. Bring all the terms, take minus sign common, you have 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. 4 cos square theta, 4 cos theta can be written as Here 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. So 6 into minus 2 is also minus 12. So 4 cos theta can be written as 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. From these two take 2 cos theta out. If you take 2 cos theta out, you have 2 cos theta plus 3. From these two take minus 1 out. If you take minus 1 out, you have 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. 2 cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Here cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Here cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 2. So cos theta is equal to minus 3 by 2 is not admissible. It is not admissible because cos theta range is minus 1 to 1. If you calculate this, you will get minus 1.5, which is not the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to cos pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3 is the principal solution. General solution will be 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to z. That is the general solution. Our next problem for today, 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta is equal to 6. Divide by cos square theta, you have 5 cos square theta by cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to 6 by cos square theta. Cos square theta cancel. Sin square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta, that is equal to 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta. 5 plus 7 tan square theta is equal to 6 into secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. So 5 plus 7 tan square theta is equal to 6 into 1, 6 plus 6 tan square theta. Bring this, take this 5 that side, bring this tan square theta this side. You have tan square theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to plus or minus 1. Theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4, where n belongs to z is the general solution. General solution for tan is n pi plus or minus alpha. So you have theta is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4. That's about this problem. This is our next problem for today. You have 3 sin power 4x plus 4 cos power 4x is equal to 1. 3 sin power 4x is equal to cos power 4x can be written as cos square x whole square, that is equal to 1. 3 sin power 4x is equal to cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x whole square, that is equal to 1. 3 sin power 4x 1 a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 1 plus sin power 4x minus 2 into 1 into 2 into a into b, that is 2 into 1 into b, that is 2 sin square x is equal to 1. Plus 1 minus plus 1 cancel because they are on either side of the equal to. 3 sin power 4x plus sin power 4x is 4 sin power 4x minus 2 sin square x is equal to 0. Take 2 sin square x common. If you take 2 sin square x common, you have 2 sin square x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here sin x is equal to 0. Here sin x is plus or minus 1 by root 2. So here if sin x is equal to 0, x is equal to n pi. For sin value is equal to 0, this is the general solution. So x is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. Sin x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2 according to the note that I have given. X is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 4 because sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, where n belongs to z is a general solution. Therefore, the general solutions are n pi or n pi plus or minus pi by 4. That's about this problem. Our next problem, 2 sin square theta minus 4 is equal to 5 cos theta. So here sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 2 into 1 minus cos square theta minus 4 is equal to 5 cos theta. Multiply this, you have 2 minus 2 cos square theta minus 4 is equal to 5 cos theta. Minus 2 cos square theta minus 2, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 is equal to 5 cos theta. Bring these two terms this side. We'll have 2 cos square theta plus 5 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. 2 cos square theta, 5 cos theta can be written as 4 cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Take 2 cos theta out, you have cos theta plus 2. Take 1 out, you have cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Take cos theta plus 2 out, you have 2 cos theta plus 1 into cos theta plus 2 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, cos theta is equal to minus 2. Cos theta is minus 2 is not admissible, so cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is cos 2 pi by 3. General solution is theta is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3. This is the general solution. That's all about today's session, children. We shall continue the next set of problems in the next class.